Welcome to Voice of Sira. My name is Nidairam.
My name is Saida Aisha Siddiqa. Today is the day known as World Environmental Day. The celebration of this day provides us with an opportunity to broaden the basis for an enlightened opinion and responsible conduct by individuals, enterprises and community in preserving and enhancing the environment. Every year, the World Environmental Day is celebrated annually on 5th June. And the United Nations principal vehicles for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment.
Ranking Index of World Environment. India stands 177 out of 180 in Indian Environmental Performance Index. Ranking Index of Karnataka. Karnataka stands 8th in country in State Energy and Climatic Index. There are such many causes for polluting environment. They are nothing but air pollution, water pollution, noise or sound pollution, improper waste management, sustainable consumption, world wildlife crimes, human overpopulation. First and foremost, we can know that about air pollution. Air pollution is nothing but the pollution in which the pollutants, solid or liquid particles mixed or some certain gases extended or exposed or sustained in the air. The causes for air pollutions are the burning of fossil fuels, forest fires, industrial air exhausted from industrial plants and factories. There are major effects of air pollution. It affects on diseases like lung cancer, respiratory system and etc. It affects on global warming, acid rain and etc.
Noise pollution. Noise pollution is also known as sound pollution. Noise pollution displeasing human, animal or machine created sound that disturbs the activity or balance of humans and animals. Noise pollution is causes from transportation system, construction of building, highways and streets, traffic noise, industrial noise. Noise pollution affects on hearing problem, high blood pressure, disturbance while sleeping, color blindness. Improper waste management. Improper waste management caused due to the lack of public awareness, lack of proper machinery, insufficient investment in waste management. There are many causes which affect of our environment. Wildlife crime, sustainable consumption, human overpopulation.
Water pollution. Water pollution is nothing but the pollutants which are mixed up of whole with some of little particles directly or indirectly discharged into the water. The causes for water pollution are sewage water waste, animal water waste, industrial waste, nuclear waste, underground waters. The effects of these water pollution is, it affects mainly on humans, diseases, nothing but cholera, malaria, dengue, typhoid, etc. Aquatic lives are getting destroyed. Last but not the least, a small conclusion here or message to everyone is that we should save our environment, right? The day by day our state environment is getting down due to the pollution for our environment, global warming. So that we should save our environment, we should restriction on fossil fuels, usage of high petroleum and diesel. So we should save our environment and develop our environment for our better future. We wish you a happy World Environmental Day. Save environment, it will save you later. Thanks for Voice of Sira for giving an opportunity to present this World Environmental Day.